There was something about her freckled face and those pigtails that attracted online sleuths who called the young murder victim Buckskin Girl because of the buckskin poncho she had on when found on the side of the road near Troy, Ohio in 1981.
Today we're all here to tell you that Buckskin Girl has been identified as Marcia, or Marcia as she's been called, King from Arkansas.
Marcia King, 21 years old. Here she is. She wasn't identified through dental records or fingerprints or her DNA in the database CODIS or her image in NamUs, the unidentified dead database, but through groundbreaking DNA technology.
We used a stored 1981 blood sample, still liquid in a heparinized tube that had sat unrefrigerated for almost 37 years. Number of individuals had told us that we would not get DNA out of that blood because it was heparinized. And not only did we get DNA out of that blood through a private lab of their choosing, but it led to using the genealogical database to find relatives.
Dr. Murray used the Doe Project, a nonprofit initiative, to identify Jane and John Does. The two women from California who worked on the case are not scientists.
We were dismissed by everybody.
Everybody,
I think,
yeah.
I
Lots
think
of
the
people.
biggest lesson was really persistence, because a year and 3 months ago, when we started talking about it and everyone said it couldn't be done,
Yeah.
we'd look at each other and say, why
Why
not?
not?
Marcia's mother has been waiting for her daughter to come home.
Her mother lived in the same house for the last 37 years. She didn't change her phone number. She was hopeful that one day her daughter would return. So we've given her answers, but it's not necessarily the answers she wanted.
After the news conference, Dr. Murray got into NamUs, the database of America's unidentified dead, to change the Buckskin Girl status to identified. Marcia will stay buried in Troy, Ohio, but the headstone will now say Marcia King. Deborah Dixon, Local 12 News.